Hey there, this is Piano Green and today I'll be showing you how to do dice simulation on Scratch. So what you need to do is, we don't need the cat so you can delete it like this. So now we need to create our own sprite and we can call it die, which is going to be our only sprite. So we can get here, we can make a square, and if you hold shift it makes it into a perfect square, not a rectangle. So if you see here, it will always be a perfect square. So now we just get one some size like this maybe, and then we can, for better looks, we can do a rounded square. So you do this by clicking here in these places. So if you do this and this and so on, you get the idea. So if I keep on doing that, you get this, and then if you get here, you can do here, you do so you move it here, yeah, then you can do it curved too, and then sometimes it's a bit annoying because you accidentally make extra points, yeah. So this one's not very neat. If you do it for all of these, hopefully this will be made better. Yes, you see there it does that. Then so on. You keep on doing that. When you finished doing this, hopefully hopefully one of it's not as messed up as that. I think I should change a bit there. So once you're happy with your square, you can put dots on it. And I think you should do red because that stands out the most. So if you get here, you do it to a thickness of around 35, I think. Yeah. You can just put what the die looks like on the dots for all 6 costumes. So now that you've finished doing that, you can just name them from 1 to 6. So once you've done that, you can go to the code. You do when this sprite clicked, we can do repeat 10, switch costume to pick random 1 to 6, which is all of these costumes. So once you've done that, you do another one. It's in the motion. You do turn. So you do this one. So you do turn clockwise, and then in this window here, you do pick random 15 to 30. And then after that, you want it to have a little pause, and then you can do weight 0.2. And then at the end, you want it to point in the direction 90. So now you've got that. Let's see what happened here. So now we've got a random one. It's 5. Maybe this could be 0.15, make it a bit quicker. So let's see what happened there. I think it should be quicker even, 0.1 seconds. Then we do that. Yeah, that's good. So now you've got fully working die. Then now you can just call it dice simulation. So there you go, you're done. For more awesome tutorials, subscribe to me. More videos coming soon.